Welcome guys to a new video. I am Devansh Pandey and you are watching Devansh the Coder. Today's topic is Python. Before starting today's topic, I will request you that please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of my videos. So let us start. What is Python? So basically, Python is a very easy language. It was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1999. So it was invented by Guido van Rossum in 1989. It's the most loved language after JavaScript. We can make anything by Python. In easy words, it means that we can not only make browsers on Node, but we can also make games and apps through Python. Why Python is most loved language? You know that Python is the most loved language. It's the most used language after JavaScript. In the previous video, I had told you that JavaScript is the most used language than any language, and in the second rank, the Python comes. So why Python is so popular and most loved? It is popular because it's a most easy language for making a program. It's an open source language, means any user can do programming with this language. Means that not only Python developers or any professional can do programming with this language. Any user can do programming with this language. Even I can also do programming with this language. I will make a game in our next video with with Python. Python used in companies. Do you know some companies also use Python, like Google, NASA, Netflix, etc. You know that Python is a most loved language. That's why some companies also use Python language, like Netflix, Google, NASA. Netflix is a browser which uses less Python in less amount, but Google is the most loved company which uses more of Python. And another company is NASA. NASA uses don't use for making any company. It is only used for working and some other purposes. Thank you guys for watching my video.